Hi everyone. We are doing the last bit of functions and function notation, difficulty level hard. And I suggest you pause and read this and then try to answer it by reading it. Okay, so I'll let you read that and try to answer it, and then we'll continue on. All right. The first thing you want to notice here is that the airplane is traveling at an average speed of 500 miles per hour, and the plane's fuel mileage is 0.2 miles per hour. So you can calculate the number of gallons of fuel used each hour using the factor label method. So that means like I can say 500 miles to 1 hour times 1 gallon to 0.2 miles. Now, what happens here is these miles units cancel out, and so you're going to get 500 gallons over 0.02 hours. So it's just gallons per hour. All right, so that's what you need to know. So once you do that, it's pretty easy. So the plane's tank has 42,000 gallons of fuel at the beginning. So that's like your y-intercept. So basically, what are we using here? F of t. Okay, so we have f of t equals your y-intercept. That's where you're starting, and you're subtracting this. So that's 500 t over 0.2. And just remember, this part here means t. Gallons per hour is your t hours. Okay, and the last one we're going to do is this one. Hopefully you've done exponential functions. And the first thing we want to do is, first of all, it's a griddable question. They want to know what the exact value of g to negative 4 is. So basically, when I graphed it, I kind of graphed the 3 main points I could find on the graph. They don't label anything. So we need to know that a general form of an equation is g of x equals a times b to the x. Now, with a equal 1. So the notation g of negative 4 means that you're looking for the y value when x is negative 4. So it's down here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not so sure I graphed this very well, but it's probably a lot closer in. So we're looking for what this value is here. And you can't tell. So basically we need to find the base. And I know I have these certain points here. I have 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 9. And the y values are all powers of 3. So we're going to try g of x equals 3 to the x. Plug in these x values here, and you see that it works. And once you find that, you can just plug in negative 4. So g to the negative 4 equals 3 to the negative 4, which equals 1 over 81. And then you have to grid that in, and you're going to grid in 1/81. Okay, that's all. The next set we're going to do is quadratic functions and graphs. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.